Welcome to DIY RV and Home Camper's Life. My name's Greg. Question for you on our audio. We just upgraded our audio system. We picked up a set of the Vocial Air 2 lapel mic, and it is 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. Right now I've got one set up on my shirt, and it's working with the internal microphone. Let me mute that one. Then I'm going to do the one with the external mic. And I also want to do a clip from a previous video, and let's see if there is any improvement with the quality of our audio. Check one. Now we're back. I am on the lapel mic with the external mic, and see how that sounds. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll you into a clip from an earlier video that we did, and then I'll come back to you and talk to you for one more minute and then let you go. It was just a quick video, just asking for your opinion.
I've got some wire rope, some ferrules, and an iOS wire rope swag tool.
Alright, let us know if you think the quality is improved in the comments below. Please, as always, hit the like button, share, and subscribe. Until the next one, happy camping.